So yesterday's class, we learned how to create lead generation ads. Here, students have sent me reports here. So let me pick one of that. So Sushmita has created the ad for real estate. And here, she has targeted, first, she did a research that 25 to 35 years age group people are more buying the plots and flats, 39%. So this information is really good actually. If you research on Google, this information will be finding. Once she got that, then she started promoting the ad. She was targeting Hyderabad, both genders, and she picked education qualifications, medical professionals, data scientists, machine learning. Facebook, you will be having options this. So by demographics option. So marketing managers, so chartered accounts, these people have high income. So there is a possibility if she show this ad, there is a possibility they'll be buying. So it's a good thought. Next, apart from that, she also started interest, like likely to move, renters, newly engaged, newly married, because sometimes people who newly married, they look for buying a house. That's good actually. So the targeting was very fair. And she created a campaign. This is a screenshot she created. So I did a daily budget. If it was live, she would have get leads over here. And when I click on the ad, so this was the ad. Let me show you on the desktop feed. So she picked the carousel ad. Yes, sometimes carousel ads are good actually. When it comes to real estate, you want to expose your house or flat. So when you go for carousel ad, you're showcasing many options. So this is good actually. Even for e-commerce also, carousel ad will be good. Okay. And next thing is the primary text also really good actually. So this ad qualifies well, and this will work also very well when you go for a budget. Okay. That's it. This is about the lead generation ad. And today, we are running campaigns. Traffic is coming, but there should be a mechanism of tracking those customers who came to our website. So I'll show you. So this is our website, and assume that we're running a Facebook ad here. There might be a number of campaigns you're doing, but especially we're talking about Facebook ads, right? So Facebook ads we're running. This can be any campaign, website click campaign, brand awareness campaign, lead generation campaign, whatever it is. Sometimes people will come to your website. So because of these campaigns, people are coming to your website. Assume that you have invested some around 20,000 rupees, and website clicks campaign, assume it, and traffic is coming. So with the help of this budget, assume that assume that 2,000 people have visited the website. So 2,000 people came to your website by clicking on the ad. They landed over here. They browse your content, and you will be having a contact form here. Whenever someone click the contact form and fill everything, means we got a lead actually. Our intention is people who come to my website, that is not my intention. Once they come here, they fill the form so that I'll be getting a lead. Once they fill the form, they'll go to a thank you page. So this is the thank you page. So customer came to thank you page means we got the lead. So it's a good news. Assume that when 2,000 people came to your website and 200 means, okay, 400 people went to thank you page. I'm just calculated 2%. 2% of the people have converted. Means remaining 1,600 people have not converted. So there is no mechanism. Till now, what are we learned? There is no mechanism of tracking those 1600 people where they are. Next time, whenever you run ads again, you're targeting everybody. So you're trying luck, that's it. But if there is a mechanism, whoever come to my website, if you have a tracking system properly, so next time, only for them, you can run ads. Now assume that regarding digital marketing, I showed some video and call to action button is there. I clearly explained what is digital marketing and what is the career in digital marketing. They clicked and they've been to the website. In the website, I clearly mentioned what are the modules I have, what are the batch timings, and what is the course fees. People who liked it immediately, they clicked, I've got a lead. Now, when I have a lead, I might be tracking them because I have a lead, right? I might be calling them, I will be sending SMS or emails, but the 1600 people I don't have. First of all, why they have not converted? Not everybody will convert, right? Some people want to check it actually. They want to take a decision later. 30% of the people think that this is not urgent. Let us take a decision later. Some people, maybe because of the high fees or a batch timings, they don't want to join. 50% of the people, they casually click, they're not at all interested. But you know what? According to research, people take 8 instances, take a decision. To buy anything, they will not buy like this. Very less people only. So if the same ad reaching that guy 8 times, slowly, we discussed on the day AIDA concept, right? AIDA. So awareness, interest, desire, action. First of all, with your first ad, you create awareness. Okay. And slowly 2 to 3 times, if you reach them, then they'll understand, okay, there is a brand called ODMT. They teach digital marketing. Next, if you keep on trying the same guy again and again, he will get an interest towards the course. Finally, he has a desire to take your course. Finally, he will take an action. So this might take 8 instances sometimes. 90% of the advertisers, they never track who came to their website. That's why they fail. So today, I'm going to teach you the mechanism how to track those people. So here we have an option called Facebook Pixel. With the Facebook Pixel, we put some kind of code on our website. Whenever people come to your website, what are the source? It can be Facebook ad, anything. Whenever customer come to my website, this tracking code, it is in JavaScript. This will push cookies on the customer browser, whether he is using Chrome, or Safari, or Firefox, what it might be. Cookie will be storing on his smartphone or the laptop. Now, this cookie information you will be having here. Let's say this is the cookie. This is the cookie information. Now, how much? 1600 people are there. This 1600 people data we'll be having over here. Because we don't know his name, but the Facebook have their own mechanism. With that, they can find out that, okay, there is a guy from Hyderabad, he stays in Alwal, and he's using this smartphone, his age is between and this between, and he clicked on this website. The data is available. So because of this JavaScript code, we got this cookie information. It is stored in the separate file. Now what I'm going to do is, you might have observed already, whenever we running ads, see for the first time, when I'm targeting the ads, who clicked on my ads, these are the new customers. Just now we've seen Sushmita have targeted the people who are 25 to 60, all are new customers. We don't know them. Now, when it comes to the 1600 people, these are existing customers. They know about our brand. They know our brand. So next time, whenever you're running an ad, again, assume that you're running a Facebook ad only. Whenever you're targeting the customers, don't filter everything again. Age, gender, interest, you don't have to do it because you have a cookie information, right? Target those people. So you have a mechanism of targeting these people only. So only for them, your ad will appear. This will not go to the new customers. Now this guy already been there to a website. Maybe due to some reason, he didn't fill the form. Next time again, when you show here, there is a possibility some 0.5% people, they again go to the website, they fill the form, they convert it. Again, cookie information will be storing, right? People who not converted. Again, one more kind of campaign is running. Keep on showing the ads to them. So initially, we have 2% of the people might be converted. Next, there is a possibility 3%, 3 more percent of the people might be filling the form. In such a way, you are increasing your chances. If you don't do this part, you are missing this. 500 more leads you are missing. Because of this, there is a possibility 500 more leads you will be getting. Okay, so this is about the remarketing process. For this, what we have to do is, first of all, you should generate the Facebook pixel. And what it will do whenever customer comes to your website, keep on tracking. Then I want to create a existing customer data in such a way that people who came to my website and not converted, those people data I have to separate. For them, I have to run the campaign. So I'll write it for you. Create Facebook pixel and paste the code on your website. This is the first process. Second, create, we call it as a custom audience. Custom audience means people who came to your website like existing customers. Create custom audience. Now we have custom audience. Third, create new Facebook campaign targeting the custom audience. Custom audience means existing customers. Guys, all of you clear what I tell till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pawan, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Salim, Sushmita. Okay, right. So let's do this. First, I'm going to remember this. I can capture this. Go into my Facebook account. So facebook.com/ads manager. So the first step I'm doing, I'm going to create a pixel. So here, when you go to facebook.com/ads manager, you will be going to this window. To create a pixel, you have 3 lines here, left hand side. Just click on this. Now here, you will be having option called Events Manager. There are so many options. Soon we're going to discuss about these options. Just click on the Events Manager. This is the Ads Manager. When you click on this is the Events Manager. When you click on the Events Manager, you will see options like this. And I've already tried the pixel code before. That's why it is showing like this. The problem is, again, here comes one more topic. One Facebook Ads Manager can have only one pixel code. You can't create more pixel code. Already I created one pixel code. I pasted on one website. Okay. So it's always good to have multiple ads manager. You have 10 different websites, you should have a 10 different ads manager. That's why you need 10 different ads manager means 10 different Facebook accounts. It's impossible to create 10 Facebook accounts. That's why business account is mandatory. So instead of discussing that, today we'll be doing on the normal account only. So I want someone to send your Facebook ID and password so that I'll be doing on yours only. Yes, guys. So I clicked on here and I clicked on Events Manager. It came here. So I got some pop-up here introducing features in Events Manager. With Events Manager, You manage data connections, monitor customer activity, view alerts, and more. So when you click on get started, it will show you what options you can do it. Okay. So connect your data, gain actionable insights for your business, optimize ads to drive real world outcomes. So first thing is you have to connect the data. Because you're doing for the first time, these are helping you. If this is not available also, left hand side, we have an option here, connect the data sources. Here you can connect it actually. So because it's the first time, let me follow them. Yeah, both are going to the same options. They're asking you what data source you want to connect. You can connect your website, app, and you can also do offline and CRM. So we are connecting today website. So connect your website to share activity that occurs online, including view content, add to cart, and purchase event. So why I'm doing this, because people are coming, some people are purchasing, some people are not purchasing and they're leaving. I want to track them. That's why I've been to ads manager, events manager, and trying to get them. So website. Now they're asking you, what is your pixel name? So I'm writing Harsha Pixel. Just a name. What website you want to track? You should have a website, right? So I'm taking this website, ODMT, pasting the pixel code over here. So you should have a website. Okay, I mentioned this and just click on check. Easily implement without code by connecting to your account that you already use for customer interaction website data. Like, you already have a WordPress and WooCommerce, you can integrate with this, but we don't have. So I'm just unchecking it. Just next, because ours is not e-commerce website. Here there are two options: conversion API and Metapixel. Select the second option. If this is not working again, you just click on connect data. Same options will come. Sometimes it takes time. We'll wait for some time. Refresh it. Facebook tool is somewhat slower than. See, the pixel is already created. This is the pixel ID. Now, what we need is the code, where to paste the code. So I'm going for the data sources here. Whatever you created, the data source will be available here. Yeah. So whatever the option we left over there, here it is coming. Continue pixel setup. Here, there are two options. Either if you want, you can install the code manually, or you can integrate with the partner. Partner means if you are using WordPress, you can go for this option. But what it will ask you, instead of pasting the code with plugin, it will be helping you. If you install one plugin, everything it will be doing. But it's not a big thing. You just go for a manual one. So I'm going for install code manually. Yeah, this is the code. So till now we didn't do nothing. I'm telling you. First of all, what we are doing is I'm creating a pixel and paste the code on your apps. This is the first step I'm doing. To do this, what I've done is first facebook.com/ads manager. I've been there, and left hand side you will find these three lines. You will find three lines. Click on that and choose events manager. Third, select data source. Automatically it is asking you to select the data source. When you're asking to select the data source, it will ask you the pixel name, website URL, and manual code. Just select the manual code option. Now when I click on the manual code option, we got this. Now copy the code. This you have to paste in the website. Copy the code and paste it in website. So I'm going to do this now. Just copy the code and paste it on the website. So I'm going to paste this in ODMT website. So I already have this website. Let me log into the WordPress. I'll paste the code. Any codes someone asking you to the paste, you have to paste in a head section. I'm going to show you where to paste in the head section. So all of you have websites. So once you go to the dashboard, so here, appearance, theme file editor. Go to appearance, theme file editor. This is the only place where you will be finding all the codes. This is all the website code, but you can't paste everywhere. Right hand side, try to find the header and footer. So you have a header and footer. And some people select the wrong one here. Okay, I'm selecting the header. Yeah, the complete head code is there. If you see here, starting from HTML, head, and the close head. So I'm already using some kind of code. I'm gonna delete that. You will not be having any code because I'm already explaining to many students a paste and number of codes. Right. So here, just before the head section, you have to paste head, close head. There are two options. Just before the close head, you have to paste the code. Just remember this. I'll be showing you again. Update file. So whatever the code you got it, I copy that code. And I copy the same code. Yeah, 84. Check here. Same code I pasted. So I've been to my WordPress website. Then under appearance, I selected theme file editor. Then here I will be having header and footer. I selected header. In the header, you will be having a head option and the close head option. Just before the close head option, paste it and update the file. That's it. You have pasted your pixel. It will start working now. You pasted right? Then click on the continue. So he's also mentioning here in the video, and he also mentioned some video here. You can watch that. But the same thing will be there. Continue. Now here it is asking turn on automatic advanced matching. Like you can see, you can being a marketer, you can find out the customer town, city, country, date of birth, everything. With these details only, we can remarket them. Okay. Now here one more option is there. This is called event setup tool. Generally, the Facebook pixel, what it will do, if anyone comes to my website, this page, another page, it will track you. But it will not track you. Someone click on this button. Someone click on this button. Someone played a video. These things it will not track. If you want to track them as well, you'll be happy. See this option? When someone clicking on the add to cart button, checkout button, these things it will not track. But if you go for a event setup tool, it will track. This will be too much for you now. That's why I'm not teaching. Tomorrow we'll discuss about this. Done. Go to pixel overview. We've done already. Wait for some time. Now, whether we set up a pixel properly or not, whether it is firing or not, how to check it? It's done already. So you have to install on Chrome, Facebook Pixel Helper. This is one browser add-on, Facebook Pixel Helper. With this, what you can identify is if any particular website is tracking with the pixel or not, you can see here. So you have to install this. I've already installed. When you install, you can see here, this is the one it will be coming. This is the add-on. Let me check one website now. Now I'm opening Great Learning, the website, and you just see here. Here, if I refresh, if it is showing numbers, means they are using. So Great Learning as of now, they're not using any Facebook pixel. It's using here. Started it. Facebook pixel. Their pixel ID also I can see. They're tracking the page views. So it's working. Now let me check another one like website material.odmt.in. It's a blog. So it's loaded completely. But if you see here, there is no tracking. So there is no pixel code. Now, just now we pasted on ODMT.in, right? Let me check whether we are tracking or not. See, so it's working. Facebook pixel, it is tracking. The pixel ID also mentioned there. Okay. So whatever we pasted, it was perfect. Then what happens? This is like analytics. What happened in the last 28 days, how many page views, how many add to cart, how many leads we got. These are all things we're going to see it. This is really good actually. Now let me come back here and we'll be checking here. We already did this. It will take some time. Just wait for 24 hours. All the numbers will come. I've already used here and you can see the numbers here. Just 1 second. You see, these are all the numbers. If the traffic is coming, you will see all the numbers. How many page view, how many add to cart. These are all the numbers we'll be getting. Okay, so we'll wait for some time. So in this, first step is done actually, creating a pixel code. Now, whoever comes to my website, whether they come to home page, about us page, contact us page, or thank you page, I have a tracking now. Because of my cookie, I have a tracking. So I finished this step. Create a Facebook pixel and paste the code on your website is done. Guys, is everything is fine? You understood what I've done? If you have any questions, let me know. Harsha, is it clear?
Yeah, sir.
Mohan, is it clear? Is it clear?
So code pasting దగ్గర కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్ గా ఉంది.
No problem. I'll be sending this video to you, okay?
Okay, sir.
You can watch it and do it. And
Yeah,
Pawan,
okay, sir.
Pawan, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Manindra, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Salim?
Hi, sir. So, if we
Yeah.
want to change the website, then how it will, sir?
If you want to change the website means?
Means if I want to try a different website.
You want to paste the code in a different website.
Yes, sir. Previous,
But okay, you can do that, no problem. But remember, whenever being a marketer you're doing, you will be having a separate ads manager account. It's always good to have a business account where one pixel for one website. Till now, we never discussed business account. That's why I'm showing you this. But for your question, can we paste this code on another website? No problem. Then what happens? You have to remove the present code. Whatever the code is there on this website, you have to remove it and make sure that this code you have to paste on a new website. So it will be done. Okay. Okay. And you will always find this code here. Whenever you come here, you will be finding this code and copy that and you can keep on paste over there wherever you want. But the pixel ID, it will never change. The code will never change. You have to remove that in your present website and start it in the new website. That's it. Right. Yes. So I'll try to open the website. Let's see it's tracking or not. He's asking me to test. Page view, waiting for activity. See here, it's working. Page view processed. And when I check here, customer came to ODMT.in, action source, website, and these all details. Can all of you open this website from your side and click on different pages? I also mentioned the website here in the chat box. Just click on that. So it's already started gathering the information. Try to go to different pages. And don't stay only one page. There is an option called checkout. And some people, if possible, again, come back to home page. There is a contact form here. Try to fill the form as well. So try to fill this form as well. Right. So here, based on the time here, see here, 6:58, 6:59, 6:59. So this is the home page. This is the checkout. This is the checkout. Okay. Now, overall overview I'll be seeing tomorrow, but here it will be delayed 24 hours. But here in the test events, immediately you can check it. If you want, you can clear the activity. If you don't want to see this, you can clear the activity, clear activity. It will be fresh now again. Again, you can check.
So form fill up is not there. Sir.
What?
Can't if I fill contact form, it will show there.
Contact form?
If I fill ODMT and contact form, it will show the live or the only page views.
No, as of now, it is showing only page views. Even if you go to thank you page also, it is counting you as a page view only, not as a conversion. Now, yeah, so what he's asking is customer came to this page. And whenever customer fills this form, so it will go to the thank you page. Means it should be like a conversion. It has to be like a conversion. Let's go to the send. Yeah, I didn't set up scenes here. Generally, I have to set up a thank you page, but we are not discussing the conversion tracking here. What happens whenever someone fills the form here, it has to go to the thank you page. Just 1 second. Yeah, in your website, this is mandatory. Whenever you want to track conversions, thank you page is mandatory. It was there earlier. How I missed. I don't know. Let's see here. Pages. Checkouts. Sample page. So there is no thank you page. So let me create one page here. Your page will create it. People who didn't understand, I'll tell you what is thank you page. Thank you very much. Publish. This is the page. ODMT.in. Thank you. Now, whenever someone comes here, someone comes to the home page, and whenever they fills the form, say someone fills the form, still it is here only. If it is here, how would I know whether the conversion happened or not? Because still is in the same URL. If it is redirected to a separate page, we can find out that, okay, there is some conversion happened. To do this, what we're going to do is, in your plugin only, what are the contact form we have used? We have used contact form by Subsystic. Here only, we'll be changing the settings. So this is the form. And here, submit option. redirect after submit. Where it has to go? It has to go to the thank you page. So I'm mentioning this. Then what happens? Someone fills the form, it will redirect here. Let me check this. Customer come here. This will count as one page view, and customer has fills the form, and you click on send button. It is redirected to another page. This is also one page view, but we can set up a conversion tracking in such a way that if anyone comes to this page, we got a lead. There is no chance that without filling the form, customer cannot go to thank you page. Home page, checkout, there are different pages might be available, but the thank you page is not in the menu. If anyone comes here means we got a conversion. See here, someone fills the form, then only can go to thank you page. Thank you page key means we got a lead. This is how we have to set up. Now, this we can see here. See the thank you page. Customer came to the thank you page. By seeing this URL, we can understand that, okay, we got a conversion. But there is a separate option where you can set up a conversion as well. That I'll be showing you tomorrow. So today I'm supposed to teach you this custom audience as well, but I understood that students are not taking much. So how to create the custom audience, retargeting campaigns, we'll do tomorrow. Today, just spend time and try to paste the code. So for Mohan, again, I'm telling you where to paste the code. Once you got the Facebook pixel, Mohan, you understood the Facebook pixel, right? How to get that?
Yes.
So
Yes,
here,
sir.
one second. Here, data source. See here, there is an option called add to another website as well, but we're not adding. Right hand side, if you click on add to another website, you have a code here, but we're not adding anyway. When you're doing the first time, that code is enough. So whatever the code you got it, copy that code, come back to your website. This is the dashboard. Under appearance, theme file editor. This is the place where you will be having all the code. Don't paste everywhere. Right hand side, try to find out where is the header and footer. Here is the header. Just click on the header. Now in header as well, you will be having a normal HTML program will be in such a way that HTML head section and head will be closed. Now body will start and body. So you have to paste. This is the close. Slash means close. Every HTML have a head and body. Whatever you write in the body, that will become a content. Head, mostly people use this head for the headers and scripts they use here. You have to paste your code here, just above the slash head. So when I'm doing here, this is the head and this is the close head. Just before the close head, I paste the code. Today you try it, you work hard. If any problem is there, I'll teach you tomorrow. Okay. And once we done it, what I've done is I've tested whether it is working or not. So I've been to Facebook Pixel Helper. That's not mandatory, but you can do it. Facebook Pixel Helper. I installed a Chrome add-on. So you'll be getting something like this. So whenever you open a website, it will show you whether it is working or not. If it is not there, so for this, see, there is no code. So it's not showing you. Whenever any website have the pixel code, it will show you that, okay, they have a pixel code. So it's working. And once I confirm that it's working, then immediately I be to my Facebook page, wait for some time. It might not come immediately. So overview, data sources, and here the pixel name is here. Click on test events and keep on checking your website. Immediately it should come. See, the page view is coming. But only page view will not help you. You should do the conversion tracking as well. Before the conversion tracking, what I done today is how to create thank you page. If your website is a lead based one, Okay, you might be having a contact form. Contact form. Create one thank you page. Thank you page is a normal page only. Okay, and copy the URL and copy the URL, page URL. Third, go to your plugin. What are the plugin? So there is an option. Once people clicked on the confirmation, where it has to go. So here, I've been to the plugin page there. Contact form by subsystem. You might be using a number of plugins. Every plugin, the contact form plugin, this option will be there. So field submit options. So submit options. Submit option means once customer submit the form, where it has to go. So redirect after submit. What are the thank you page you created? I mentioned here. Because of this, whenever a customer fills the form here, majority of the forms by default, here only you'll get a message that thank you very much, but you can't track it because customer came to odmt.in. Again, still here you only. But when it is redirecting to thank you page, I can assume that, okay, we got a lead. So thank you page is mandatory. Okay, that's it. So I'll revise what we done till now. Yeah. Any questions?
Sir, the website,
Come on, tell me.
like for which website we have to do all these things? Like for which website we have to create the pixel? Now we don't have a known website right now.
You have the tech Woozy, right? You can do it on that.
Yes, sir, I do. Okay.
do
Okay, can I reset the whole?
Yeah, you can reset the whole. That is just a practice only. You can do it. Okay.
Okay.
I think Mohan, Panindra, all of you have your websites. You can do it. Salim, I think you also have your website.
Yes, sir. Control tax.
Yeah. Sushmita, you have any question? Right. So your task for today is, if anyone didn't understand, no problem. Tomorrow you'll be getting all the clarities. First of all of you have websites, right? Go to your websites, create thank you page first. Make sure that there should be a contact form. Second, redirect your form to thank you page. Right. Now go to Facebook Ads Manager, create a pixel. Paste the pixel code on your website. Test whether it is working or not with the help of Pixel Helper. Go to Events Manager and test the events. Keep on changing the pages and check whether it is showing the tracking or not. This much is done, it's enough. Tomorrow, the remaining steps will be doing it. So this process is done. We paste the code. It is taking the cookies only. But first, we have to set up a conversion tracking. Then we'll create a custom audience. Then we'll be targeting them only. Okay, right. Chat, it is sufficient or not. I pasted in chat, so you can use it. If it is not sufficient, I'll be mentioning